The Redmi 13 is a fantastic budget smartphone that offers a lot of value. With its impressive performance, long-lasting battery and great camera, it's a great choice for everybody who's looking for a reliable and affordable device. So let's dive into the actual specs. It has a sleek design with a large 6.79-inch IPS LCD display, and the 90Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch. Its screen bezels are really slim, making it perfect for binge-watching shows, playing games, and browsing the web. In regards to performance, it runs on the powerful Mediatek Helio G91 Ultra processor that handles everyday tasks such as gaming and multitasking with ease. For battery life, you get an extra 30 mAh. The Redmi 13 comes with a 5030 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charge that can take you up to a full day without worrying about running out of juice. It runs on Android 14, backed with up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Camera-wise, you get a 108 megapixel main sensor that captures stunning photos with incredible detail even in low light conditions. For videos, it has HDR support and records up to 1080 at 30 FPS. It additionally comes with a bunch of cool features such as dual SIM support, a micro SD card slot, and a 3.5mm head jack. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly phone with really cool features, for only 19,000 Kenyan shillings, the Redmi 13 could be yours.